Hello, this is Kayla from Around the World Learning Group. Let's cook. Let's cook food from around the world. I'm here to share with you that YouTube would not let me upload the video and they said it was too long. The purpose of it being long was so that everyone would join and cook along. But regardless, that is okay. I will record shorter videos from now on. I'm going to show you what I made, and if you want to do the cook along with me, you can go on to my Facebook group, Around the World Online Learning Travel Group, and you can watch the whole video there on Facebook Live. So here's the jollof rice that we made. Basically, we sauteed the chicken and the meat, and then after that, we put that in a big stock pot with some stock. 3 to 4 cups of stock, and then after that we sauteed the onions and the green peppers, and we also added in our vegetables, green beans, carrots, and cabbage, shredded cabbage. Mix that all together. Put the rice in, half cooked. Put in the tomato paste and the crushed tomatoes, added that all, put it all with the chicken that was simmering, and then simmered everything together for 20 minutes with the spices, which included thyme, black pepper, crushed red pepper, and we made this awesome food right here. You can garnish it with parsley, cilantro, or hard-boiled egg. Today, and I'm hoping YouTube will let me upload the video that I put on today, a couple of videos, I believe there were 2. I just made this lovely Liberian banana rice bread. So we mixed together our dry ingredients, which included this cream of rice right here. We put in sugar, we put in salt, and baking powder into the dry ingredients, along with a 4th cup of raisins or currants. Then we mixed our wet ingredients together. We mixed mashed plantains. You can also do mashed bananas, along with the oil and along with the milk and 2 eggs. And we whisked that together. Then we added the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and we mixed it up really well and stuck it in the pan. We put it in the oven, set it to 325 degrees. And it was in the oven for 50 minutes, and here you go. You got this awesome bread right here. A lot like a consistency of a cornbread. Tomorrow we'll be doing a KWL, and this is backwards, but that's okay. What we know already, what we wanted to learn, and what we've learned about this country here, Liberia, in Liberia, Africa, on the west coast, near the Atlantic Ocean. We're going to do 5 things we've learned, approximately. And maybe I'll sing the national anthem, and I will try to make the video shorter. I'll also taste the food in front of you. And you can find this recipe at franktheater.org. Delicious recipe. You can find this recipe on food.com, and it was submitted by Engrossed. Amazing, delicious. And cook it up and enjoy it. Enjoy the flavors. They're so good. It's a really good dish. And have fun learning about the world. Bring a cup of wine or just a drink with you. And enjoy tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As soon as I get out of church, we'll talk about what I've learned. All right, thank you for joining.